Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Google Calendar with other people. This complete 2026 guide will help you share your calendar securely and manage permissions easily. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. On the left side, find the My Calendars section and move your mouse over the calendar you want to share. Click the three-dot menu next to the calendar name and select Settings and Sharing. Scroll down to the Share with Specific People or Groups section. Click Add People and Groups and enter the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Next, choose the permission level. You can allow someone to see only free and busy times, see all event details, make changes to events, or even manage sharing and permissions. After selecting the permission, click Send. The other person will receive an invitation by email, and once they accept it, your calendar will be shared with them. You can return to the same settings and sharing page anytime to change permissions or remove someone from the shared calendar. That's it. This is the easiest way to share a Google Calendar in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.